Hi, I'm Brian of Sidearm Games, and I make games the lazy way. This is the world of Knox, my indie game that I've been working on for the past half a year. And if I want my indie game to succeed, I know I need to follow certain trends. Everyone knows all indie games today need to break the fourth wall. I mean, if you're not breaking the fourth wall or making a horror game, then can you even call it an indie game? Now, I refuse to touch the horror genre, so we'll have to settle with the former and break down some walls. What's that? You want to break the fourth wall in your games? Well, walk with me, because I'm going to show you 3 ways you can do just that in the Unity engine. Now you clicked on this video, maybe you're a pro in all things Unity, or maybe you're a beginner that knows nothing about coding. Luckily for you, I have 3 ways to break the fourth wall, so you can take your pick. The first way is going to be an easy, single line of code that will remind the player that I am in their walls. Next, I'll show you how to break the fourth wall like a pro, having the user needing to do something outside of the game to move forwards. Finally, we'll take an adventure into the Shadow Realm and pull out a forbidden technique that may get you in trouble if used incorrectly. No, I'm not responsible if you use this illegal technique yourself and the cops raid your house. Before we move forward, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this on or close to the release, then this is your chance to become an OG. Regardless, thank you for taking the time to view this video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's begin. Let's try playing the scene first and seeing what's up. What? It's already saying our name here. Okay, no, I just literally wrote hello Knox right here. We're gonna use this line here. All it does is just print the text you just saw onto the screen. We're gonna use this line to demonstrate how we're gonna break the fourth wall. Let's start off with showing you the easiest way to break the fourth wall in Unity games. It's really easy. 1 line of code, I promise you. Just give me 1 second. And we're done. Congratulations! You just broke the fourth wall in Unity. Okay, so what did we do here? Well, why don't we play and check it out? Now that's really my name. All we did was just grab my system name and display it. That's simple as that. Since most people set their real name as their system name, let's just say you're gonna surprise a lot of people. Okay, now let's discuss the pro way to break the fourth wall in Unity. Okay, I say pro, but you don't need to be top 1% ethical hacker. You just need to understand a tiny bit of computer science. I think most people watching this will understand what I'm doing here. Okay, so why don't we play the scene and see what's up? Access denied. Check access control.txt for more details. Why don't we do just that? Knox cannot access the gate. Well, what if we delete the not right here and say we can access the gate? Well, now it says access granted. Alright, so what did I do exactly? Well, I'm just using the input-output system, IO. I create a path. This path just leads to, right now, my assets folder. It will lead to a location that the player can access in a built game, and it creates a text file here. We then write to it, Knox cannot access the gate. And we update, and if we ever see this says Knox can access the gate, we then grant access. You understand then, we can do a whole lot of things with this. You can make the user go in and delete certain files. You can have the user change numbers or change stats. Or you can do what I did here, and let them access certain features only when they change what's inside the document. Now no, I don't think people playing a game will realize they have to delete this specific word in order to move forward. So you gotta be smart in how you do it. But using input outputs is one way to break the fourth wall, where you have to get the player to do something outside the game. Now I don't know about you, but I always found that really cool, having the player go into their game files to make them realize that the game is coming for them. Finally, let's move on to the illegal way to break the fourth wall. Okay, maybe what I'm about to do is not strictly illegal, but if you want to avoid trouble, I recommend you steer clear of this third method. So why don't we play and see what's up? Whoa! I don't think I should show that, but yes, this is my IP address. This is real too. Why don't we look at the code and see what's up? As you can see, all I did in my start function is just call a method get local IP address, And the code in here, all it does is just get the IP address. In online games, you need a person's IP address. So this code here can be used to ethically get someone's IP. But as you can see, you can also just display it for everyone to see. Now, although IP leaks are scary, they're not that big of a deal. All it has is your location data, and we're displaying that to the player. So it's not exactly the biggest deal. But if that person is streaming to an audience and suddenly their IP is just visible for all to see, you might just dox someone. And that's why I recommend steering clear. Doxing is illegal in some states, so I'm probably not going to use this specific code in my game. But that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did or didn't, please comment down below. I would love to hear any feedback. And please consider liking and subscribing. If you like this sort of content, I'm planning to do more tutorials and maybe some challenges as well. If you have an idea for that, comment down below. I would be very interested to hear what you want to learn or see me suffer through. And with that, I'll see you later.